2 for 2 so far. Usually that's all I get. Factory bed bolts are T50. Time to cut. Next, take the tailgate off. Open it. It's right there. So I'm gonna lift up a little bit. You can get a nail, you can use a screwdriver. Tab, forward, pull up. Tailgate will now drop down. Now we can take it out. This is what you'll end up with. And the way this thing comes out is you have to pick it up at an angle because this hinge on the passenger side is like that. So you bring it straight out and then you go this way with it. Once you get this side out, it pulls out over there. So let's do that. That's it. Just give you a close up to that hinge. So that's why that one goes out at a 45-degree angle. And then after that, just move it up. Things like that. Sometimes it's a good idea to grease these up and put them back on. One time I did a bed, I actually had, it has like a plastic bushing in it. But the bushing went away and it somehow seized and just, it was a mess. Anyways. Okay. Next thing to do, we're gonna undo this filler neck because it's attached to the bed. So pull the cap off. You got 3 screws basically, and it is 7mm. So that's one. That's 2. That's alright, I can sit there. That's the last one. Don't drop it down there. End up grounding out your fuel gauge. You read empty all the time. Okay, that's that. So when the bed gets lifted up, we'll have to kind of guide this down. It's not hard. It just kind of go in this way and down, and pops right out of there. Okay. So I got the bed started to pick up. So just like this. That was up there. You know, pull out the cap, get the cap out of the body. It just has this weird little, you just kind of squeeze it and walk it out, and it pulls out from up top. And then just put the cap on back, you know, like that. And this just drops down, just sits there for now till we get this up high enough, and then we'll just get it around the bottom of the bedside. But I started to pick this up because this particular truck has some additional wiring for like a cap, and they got a backup camera. It's covered up right now, but they have a ground wire for it right here, and some other stuff here. I have to get in there and figure out exactly what I gotta undo. But generally there's one plug, there might be 2 plugs if it's got trailer harness on it. This one does, but I can't see the plug yet, so, but we'll get there. Okay, so I got the ground screw for the camera out. This is the one. Obviously you don't want to really get it too much tighter than that. The bed's just kind of moving around, so this one here just, I believe this comes out like that. Usually I need a, sometimes you need a flat head just to kind of get in between here, just push and then kind of walk it out. And then after that, there is this one here. This goes down, that's this plug here. So I just have to undo that, and then just this zip tie that's holding this bundle together, because this here goes down the frame. So we'll get that taken care of, and then we'll be good. So get this one out. That's good. Sure. This welding pliers should do it. Okay, what's that? Got the cords, they're not cords, wiring harness, all done. And just do kind of one more visual, see if you see anything hanging down, tied up somewhere. Other than that, it's time to pick up the bed. That's just on the bumper. Okay, So it's pretty much free. Of course, we don't want it doing that. So I usually use have another ratchet strap here. Uses like a tag line. So we're gonna hook that up now.